Let me introduce the operation process of this instrument. Turn on the instrument. We can first see this is the main engine of the instrument. Here are the accessories of the instrument: mousepad, keyboard, mouse, a set of holographic clips, a set of holographic wires, power cord, an adapter, and a holographic user manual. First, let's connect the power adapter to the power cord. Once connected, insert the round plug end of the adapter into the corresponding round port on the device. After plugging it in, we connect the mouse and the keyboard. After connecting, we connect our holographic wires. Notice this hologram. There are sizes. Plug in the hologram firmly. Plug it in firmly, and then twist the screw knob next to it. After connecting the accessories, we click the power button at the bottom of the instrument, power on. The power button is blue. It means that the instrument has been turned on normally. After entering the software interface, we enter the password lowercase ABC123. Click Confirm after entering. After entering the software, we click OIG. After entering the smart meter software, let's click this Wi-Fi button to connect to the internet first. After the connection is successful, we click Next. You can then enter the client's personal information to perform the test. Well, after the customer enters the information, let's connect the accessories of the holographic cable. We can see the hologram. There are numbers on it. V1 and V2 we connect. Two small clips. V3 and V4 are connected to the large clip. After the connection is completed, we clip to the client's wrist. V1 is clipped on the wrist of the left hand. V4 is clipped at the elbow of the customer's left hand. V2 is to clip it on the customer's right wrist. V3 is sandwiched at the customer's right elbow. After connecting, we click Next. Start detection. After the progress bar of the test is completed, we can then remove the clips. When the instrument pops up this interface, the report representing the test has been generated. Let me read this report. You can see that this the personal real information entered by the tester. This section displays the percentage scores. For the 8 major health circulation systems, a higher percentage score indicates a better overall state of health. As you can see from the bottom, there will be a stage health index score. This is the overall score for the client's entire report. The following is our Chinese medicine section. First of all, here are the values of moisture and blood stasis. The heavier the value, the heavier the moisture and blood stasis. You can see it further down. This is the dialectic of physique and viscera. Based on the client's measured constitution and the differentiation of internal organs, we will provide a brief description of their characteristic manifestations. This is the key and blood plate. A yellow mark means there are abnormal items. If there are abnormal projects, we will do a simple enumeration. This includes identifying the causes behind the occurrence of this anomalous item. Next is the meridian plate. A yellow mark means there are abnormal items. If there is an abnormal meridian, it will be a simple enumeration. Tell you what kind of symptoms this meridian is prone to causing. There will also be an explanation of pictures here. It tells you exactly where this meridian is located in the human body. The above is all the Chinese medicine sector. You can see that this is the Western medicine section. Here is our system. Here is the breakdown, itemized by the system. This is the normal range of values. Here is the actual measurement value of the customer. In the Western medicine sector, we will focus specifically on the indicators marked in red. For any items exhibiting anomalies, a simple risk alert will be displayed here. The white here is the medical explanation. The yellow section contains recommendations for addressing this specific abnormality. In the Western medicine section, we will focus on the red, anomalous indicators. We can slide down and see the report. There will be a conditioning suggestion at the end. Here are the dietary advice, exercise advice, and recuperation advice. If the client requires the mobile version of the report, you can have customers open the scan feature on their mobile phones. Scan the QR code on the right side of the screen. Click to download. Click Open after downloading. Then you can view your test report on your mobile phone. When you need to view a customer's file, we click Next on this interface. Click on the file interface. There will be a magnifying glass icon on the right. Click in. Click on this report. We can then view the client's original report. If the customer needs a secondary inspection, we will click Next on this interface. Search the archives for the client's name or contact details. After searching, select his file and double-click. His information will automatically fill in this information box. Then you can start testing directly.